welcome back to AuntieTay. Welcome to Walt Disney Wednesday. I was trying to put the song into No One Fights Like Gaston, No One Hits Like Gaston, but it didn't work. So with that, welcome to Walt Disney Wednesday. Today is October, not today, but this month is October. Today is a Wednesday. Today, it's not even a Wednesday, is it? Because I'm doing these videos on like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So welcome to Walt Disney, whatever day it is. But it might fall on a Wednesday. Okay, so today I'm doing Gaston. I dressed my husband as Gaston. I didn't really dress him up. I just made him a t-shirt and a mug that is similar to Gaston. And if I got around to it, I made another accessory for it. But as I shoot this video, I have not done that. So hopefully there is something in this tutorial for you guys to see a little bit more of. All right, I love you guys. Let's get going on this video. And welcome to October. It's October. Let's get going. Alrighty guys, for the Positively Primeval shirt, it's just two different colors I cut out of yellow and gray. I actually used the flocked gray for this because I still love flocked gray. It is out of sale, out of stock on my website because it is so popular and we're not sure when Caesar is going to be making any more. So since these didn't overlap at all, I was able to do them in one good swoop. And if you want to know how to use the Easy Press and a little bit more, check out some of my Easy Press videos. And then this was all good to go. Then for the mug, I'm using the No One Drinks Like Gaston SPG, available to my patrons. And we're just going to use this metallized vinyl and then a couple other of the holographic vinyl, I believe. And I'm using my transfer tape that's available on shop.AuntieTay.com, which I still am obsessed with, guys. And I'm going to be showing you guys our other transfer tapes as well, but I really just love this one so much. So to make a double layer vinyl or double layer decal for your mug, you can do it like this. I just used a piece of transfer tape that is as large as the design, and then I just stuck everything onto the transfer tape at once. And again, this transfer tape's not super sticky, so this part might be a little bit more difficult, but in the long run it makes your project a lot easier because it goes on your project like a dream. Okay, so this is a pretty curvy mug. So I found it at Ross, I believe. So I'm going to start with just the center and rub up and down from the bottom of the design to the top. And then I'm going to cut little notches out so that I can kind of stretch each little piece around the mug where it curves. If you have a less curvy mug, this isn't as hard, but I do recommend doing this because it makes your transfer a little bit easier, and then you'll see how this comes off nice and easy. Okay, and then there's a couple little spots I just needed to fix, and then we're good to go.